Welcome back to another episode of our IELTS Writing Task 1 series on the Notebook Learn channel. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam and struggling with how to describe line graphs, you're in the right place. This video is for you. Today, I will break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy to tackle any graph question with confidence. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the question. The first thing you need to do is carefully read the question. Identify what the line graph is showing. Is it depicting trends over time, comparing multiple categories, or showing fluctuations in data? Understanding the time periods and measured variables will help you identify key trends effectively. For example, imagine you are giving a line graph showing the number of tourists visiting 3 different countries from 2010 to 2020. Your job is to summarize the key trends, make comparisons, and highlight significant changes over time. Step 2. Analyze the trends. Before writing, take a moment to analyze the data. Look for overall trends. Is the data increasing, decreasing, fluctuating, or stable? Highest and lowest points. Significant changes, sudden spikes or drops. Comparisons. Which category increased the most? Which remained steady? Step 3. Write an effective introduction. Your introduction should paraphrase the question and briefly describe what the line graph represents. For example, the line graph illustrates the number of tourists visiting country A, country B, and country C between 2010 and 2020. Overall, all 3 countries saw an upward trend, with country A experiencing the most significant growth. Step 4. Write a strong overview. The overview is the most important part of Task 1. This section should summarize the main trends without specific data. For example, overall, the number of tourists increased in all 3 countries over the given period. However, country A saw the sharpest rise, while country B's growth was more gradual. In contrast, country C remained relatively stable until a dramatic increase in the final years. Now, break your response into 2 body paragraphs, describing the data with numbers and making comparisons. Example: Body paragraph 1, countries A and B. In 2010, around 5 million tourists visited country A. This number steadily increased to 12 million by 2015, before surging to 20 million in 2020. Similarly, country B saw a rise from 3 million visitors in 2010 to 10 million in 2020, although its growth was more gradual. Example body paragraph 2, country C. Country C, on the other hand, experienced little change from 2010 to 2015, remaining at approximately 4 million visitors. However, from 2016 onwards, the number increased sharply, reaching 15 million by 2020. To boost your score, use a variety of sentences structures and vocabulary. Synonyms for increase: rise, surge, grow, climb, soar, or escalate. Synonyms for decrease: decline, drop, fall, plummet, or dip. Describing stability: remain constant, stay unchanged, level off. Describing fluctuations: oscillate, experience ups and downs. Linking phrases: in contrast, similarly, compared to, while X increased, Y remained stable. For example, Between 2010 and 2015, the number of visitors to country A rose steadily, while country B experienced a moderate increase. However, country C remained relatively unchanged before experiencing a dramatic surge in the last few years. Step 7. Proofreading and improve. Take 1 minute to check your work for grammar errors, spelling mistakes, word repetition, clarity and cohesion. Practice writing different line graphs responses and time yourself to get used to the 20-minute limits. The more you practice, the more your confidence will be. That's all for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in the next video with more information, tips and tricks, and of course, more examples. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section, and I will get back to you. I might even make a longer video to help you with all aspects of your issue. Hopefully, see you soon. Bye!